This simulation shows how the shadow and the secondary shadow of objects are formed. In the help section, the detailed theory of the simulation is referenced. The parameter "d" denotes the object position. The parameter "h" denotes the object height. The parameter "ds" denotes the source position. The parameter "hs" denotes the source height. The parameter "sr" simulation rate denotes the rate of the motion simulation. We observe the creation of the shadow and the penumbra of a rectangular shaped object on a wall. The red lines determine the boundaries of the shadow and the penumbra of the object. The rectangle with black color represents the shadow of the object, while the rectangle with gray color represents the penumbra. We notice that the size of the shadow and the penumbra decreases as the object approaches the wall. When the object touches the wall, the penumbra disappears. We can hide the results table. We can also interrupt the motion. We can reset the simulation to its initial environment. We can choose various combinations of parameters and study the simulation. Finally, in the questions and exercises section, questions and exercises corresponding to the simulation are proposed. You can solve these exercises and verify the correctness of the results using the simulation.